Welcome back, folks, and today I got this nice little box delivered. And can we guess what it is? Of course, you know it's from Autobrite Direct. So let's have a look and see exactly what we've got in the box. Interesting. So what we got in here? Haha, I've already had it out anyway. So this is what's turned up. It's a bucket. Now what I like about this bucket, it's full of goodies. And one thing that's very important, this was a special deal. For Christmas, Autobrite Direct is doing a special deal on buckets. But those buckets are full of something. Now this whole bucket normally costs, with the goodies in it, around about 120 quid. But today, they've done it for 60 quid. So let's have a look and see exactly what we get for our 60 quid. And is it really worth 120 quid? Let's open her up. Now, straight away, what I do like about this bucket, it's the screw lid. Look at this. Wicked. Now, what have we got in this bucket? We've got lots of these, and that's for your spray bottles. So I'll most likely need the glasses for this one. We've got a bottle of this stuff. I can't see. When you get to my age, you need glasses, by the way. This is wheel and tire cleaner. Oh, wicked. I'm liking that. Now, retail, I'm guessing that would cost you around about 10 quid. Oh, yes. A mitt. You can't go wrong with the mitts, can you? And once again, now we were talking about, okay, this might be the cheapest version, but I'm guessing this mitt would have cost you, what, 5-6 quid? Ah, and a large towel. I mean, look at that. I mean, there's another tenner, isn't it? So what else we got here? Perfect for glass. Advanced glass cleaner. So this is a cloth for doing your windows. Yeah, of your car. Wicked. Oh, another buffing towel. So we're getting your 60 quid starting to look good, isn't it? Right, now getting down to the products. Another one of these, spray job. Super sheen for the windscreen. Yep. Once again, I'm guessing this is what you call the cheap and cheerful. You'd expect to probably pay around about a £5 for that, I guess. What we got here? Blue velvet. Shampoo. So this is a shampoo. Now I'm looking at this saying, yeah, well, there's 10 quid, give or take. Ah, citrus wash, an important one. Definitely a good product, if I do say so myself. Most companies do one of these, and I'm saying now they are about the same, but some are better than others, only by smell. And for polishing, you got one of these. Useful tool. What else we got in here? Crystal glass cleaning. Is it they always have to put glass cleaning because it's cheap and cheerful? But don't get me wrong, that'd still cost you a £5. A ceramic quick detailer. Useful, I must say. Quick and easy, spray it on, Bob's your uncle. And inside the bucket, it won't come out. Oh yes, it will. Inside the bucket, you've got a grit guard. So all in all, including the bucket, I think you've done well for 60 quid. So straight away, a good quality clear bucket with a cracking lid. And if you don't use it for detailing, you could use it for kids' toys. So you've got all these products. Now I am liking these. They are going to be used. So the question is, Do I feel ripped off? No, not at all. I'd say this is a really good deal for 60 quid. And you're gonna have to be quick, folks. If you want this today, you're gonna have to go down to Autobrite Direct online. I'll leave the link in the description and order one for 60 quid. Whether this is worth 120 quid, to be honest, I'm not convinced there's 120 quid's worth of stuff here. Bear this in mind. If you knock off that tax of 20%, yeah, you're down to about a ton. Is it £100 worth? I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, how good are these? Are these just cheap and cheerful cloths? I mean, that does feel good, folks. I'm liking it. Oh, yeah, just like that. And then you've got this one here. This, I mean, let's have a look. Let's have her out and have a look. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. Look. I'm telling you now, folks. I think that's a good deal. I think we've had a good deal there. 120 quid. I'm really sketchy on that one. But for 60 notes, that is an absolute bargain. Now let's be fair, this is not a sales pitch for Autobrite Direct. I've purchased this all myself out of my own money. I just wanted to see, realistically, if we do get what we pay for. Is this a real bargain or not? And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And later on, we'll be trying out all these little goodies to see what they're like. Laters!